Or we can just do it all together. We can all pick fireweed and then all pick blueberries. What do you want to do?
Why don't we do blueberries first so that things whiners
Take a bucket.
whining about blueberries. Oh, that's so pretty.
That's why I picked those fields a lot. There's one more over here. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Well, hey everybody, we're here for one of our favorite times of the year. Right around firewood time is blueberry time. So we're out here in the forest today picking wild blueberries. Kids and Kayla are behind me and we're gonna pick some blueberries today, some fireweed, and if we see any other wild medicines or edibles, we'll pick those as well. It's super hot out, it's super smoky, and we're having a blast picking berries.
Pure vanilla. Blueberry. Delicious. So good. There's lots left for the bears too.
This is called Labrador tea.
I put some in.
Okay, so you're gonna pick, but you don't pick them all off every plant. You only pick.
Can you pick each green one?
Yep, you pick the green ones, but only a couple off of each plant. Okay?
Can I? 3?
Yeah, that's good. Kate, you want to pick some of these? Let's put them in the bag for me. How many berries have you guys picked? We're going to get some more fireweed. So this is a good spot that we like to come and pick berries and cut firewood and pick fireweed. It's pretty out here. Well, we just got back from a day out in the bush picking some blueberries. So we picked a bunch of wild blueberries. They're pretty small, so it takes a lot to pick a lot of berries. Obviously, we got some green ones in there we got to sort out. If we were picking Saskatoons, this would have been, we could have got 8 or 9 bags at the same time. Saskatoons are way easier to pick. We also got another big bag of fireweed tea that we're letting kind of soften up and semi-ferment in the bag as that process begins. Fireweed leaves for fireweed tea. And then we got this for our bushcraft bros for their fire starting kits. So this is a really cool thing to look for if you're out in the bush, dead trees that have a whole bunch of dried sap or pitch on them. It makes great fire starting additions to your kit. So we'll process that a little bit and show you, but that's pure fire starting material right there. So that's pretty cool to have that. And now to reward ourselves, because it's a sweltering 31 degrees and smoky and hot, we are going to go where?
Swimming.
We're going swimming. We're going to the lake. So thanks for joining us on our blueberry picking day. And oh, what else did we get? We got something else in the bush. We got a bag of what?
Yeah, Labrador.
We picked some Labrador tea as well. So where we were picking blueberries, there's a wet spot, and there's some Labrador tea, so we got some of that to make some tea as well. So we got lots of stuff today. We got pitch, berries, leaves, flowers, and tea leaves. Not a bad day. So much for a day at the lake! But hey, we need the rain. Run, Peyton!